Open your web browser. In the Google search bar type Microsoft Excel Online. Press Enter. Click the first link. This will take us to the Microsoft account sign-in page. If we don't have an account, we can create an account using either a mobile number or an email ID. We are going to create an account using email. For that, select Create One button. Enter your email ID. Enter your password for Microsoft Excel Online account. Click Next. After this step, Microsoft will send a confirmation code to your email account. Type that code here and click Next. Type the CAPTCHA in the screen and click Next. After successfully completing these steps, a Microsoft account is created, and a Microsoft Excel Online sheet will open.